It's a busy morning in terms of news. Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane has suffered yet another defeat in the courts. North Gauteng High Court Judge Tolme has just ruled that Mkhwebane must be held personally liable for a percentage of the legal costs in her Estina report. I want to go straight now to Sipho Stuurman, who's standing by. Sipho, give us the latest with regards to this personal cost order.
Well, a very good morning to you and our viewers at home. Another, legal setback for the public protector here from the North Gauteng High Court. She has been ordered to personally pay the cost in the Estina Dairy Farm matter. Of course, you remember this court earlier in the year, I think it was around May, had found that her report was, legally flawed and overturned it, and saying that she had failed to properly investigate that particular case. And even today, Judge Tolme said that the public protector had failed the people of Vrede in the manner that she conducted her investigation, and that there were many aspects that she did not dig further into in terms of her findings, and that a lot of key politicians were let off the hook. And so I have the judgment here in my hand, Blaine, if I can just have a quick look at it. It does say that, of course, the public protector is liable in her personal capacity to pay 7.5% of costs of both the DA and Casac. Remember, this case was brought before the High Court by Casac and the Democratic Alliance, so she's been asked to pay 75% of those parties' counsel. And of course, in her capacity, or in her official capacity, that is from her office as a public protector, they've been ordered to pay about 85%. Now we've had a short reaction from the spokesperson. He's just been interviewed here by our competitors currently, but OPA spoke to us and said that they are very much concerned about these cost orders that are seemingly bankrupting the public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane. You remember in the Absa Bank matter, she was also asked to pay costs personally. So certainly it is a concern for the Office of the Public Protector, and the immediate reaction from OPA is that they will be, OPA being the public protector spokesperson, is that they will be appealing this judgment too.
Sipho, I just want to clarify in terms of the personal cost order and the cost in terms of her capacity, official capacity. So is it 85% of costs in her official capacity and 7.5% of costs in her personal capacity? Is that the figures we're getting?
Are you happy with that decision?
Sipho, can you hear me? It's Blaine. I think we just lost the line with Sipho. We'll try to get back to him. But with regards to the order that is following, I've got it in front of me. I've just received it now. The public protector in her official capacity is ordered to pay 85% of the cost of the Democratic Alliance on an attorney and client scale, which costs will include the costs of two counsel. And then the public protector in her official capacity is ordered to pay 85% of costs of the counsel of the advancement of the South African Constitutional, Casac, on an attorney and client scale, which costs will include the cost of two counsels. And the public protector in her personal capacity is ordered to pay 7.5% of the cost of the Democratic Alliance, and it goes on to say 7.5% in the terms of a personal capacity to Casac as well. So that is another blow, another legal blow in terms of the personal cost order for the public protector. But we will try to get back to Sipho Stuurman in a short while, get some reaction from the public protector's office as well. So look, very, very busy news day as well. What is happening in the Constitutional Court is very material.